expressed, today we have great opportunity to introduce the overlay welding side plate suited for the Kleemann 130 Evo. First, you can see this surface we make the overlay welding. The thickness is up to 10 millimeters. And the overlay welding, the material is high chrome. The hardness is up to 60 HRC. It's super hard, and it's more than around 3 or 4 times the Hardax 450 lifespan, and 5 times than high manganese material side plate. And the second one you can see easily. This 2-thread hole is M16. And it's very precisely, and also it's very tighten and easy to tighten into the machine bodies. And the third one, you can see the size of this one is 250 plus 250 and 20 millimeters. That is a popular model for the Kleemann 130 Evo. And the back side of this side plate is normal material. Normal alloys, and also you can see this surface, this back surface is very flat so that it can fit into the crusher body very well. If you have any interest about this type of the overlay welding material side plate, contact us today. You will get professional answer.